Hi, my name's Tom. It just cleared up here after 2 full days of rain, so my dog is just jonesing for a walk, and that's a great thing because I have this brand new leather dog leash to go ahead and give a try. I'm going to open it up. Oh wow, this looks pretty good. It's got a little bit of silicone gel in there. That's always a good sign. And look at this. This is the actual leash itself. Wow. That is real leather. I want to show you a couple things here. See that braiding there? That braiding is it's all one piece of leather. It's about 3/4 of an inch across. You can see it's nice and thick. It feels very, very strong. It's got an unfinished side and a finished side. And I believe it's 6 feet long. That's a nice leash. All right, so here we go. Here's the other, here's the handle itself. Oh, that feels good. That feels good in the hand. I like that. But again, notice the braiding. It's all one piece and it's braided together. It's actually pretty clever. It's a nice looking dog leash. So the real trick here is it's good. It can look great, but it's got to work well. And it looks like it's a nice strong braid there. But this is a kind of a copper eye hook here. It goes all the way around 360 degrees, so it's not going to get snagged. Let's check out the spring. Oh, that's good. It's a nice tight spring. It closes up real well. So this would fit onto the dog's collar or kind of the vest. My doggy uses a vest with kind of a shoulder harness. So I'm going to go ahead. Like I said, she's really excited to go for a walk. So I'm going to go ahead and check this out. I'm going to get her all into her harness, and then we're going to go ahead and give this leash a real try. And here we go. Here she is all hooked up. As you can see, the clasp is nice and tight. The leather is very secure. And here we are. It's all the way out. She really wants to run. It's in my hand right now, and it actually feels pretty comfortable. I like it. It's nice and soft. There she goes. She's going to run. Pups, let's go this way. Let's go to the right. Come on, good girl. You can see it has rained a little bit, so she is really, really excited to kind of go. I'm gonna sniff everything. Good, pups. Oh, this works great. This is a great leash. This is wonderful. Really comfortable, really works well. Nice and long, 6 foot's perfect. She's not too far ahead of me. She's not too far, too close to me. She has some time to stretch. Good girl. Okay, good girl. Good girl. Oh, you like that leash. Good girl. So as you can see, my dog really loved the walk. The leash works well. I was sent this leash to go ahead and tell you all about it, and that's what I'm doing here. It's 6 foot long. It was really, really comfortable. It felt great in the hand. The width of the leather plus the thickness really makes it stand out well. Even when my dog pulled a little bit, it's got some push to it. It's got some rubbery to it, like real leather should. This is real leather, and the clasp itself is nice and strong, solid. The spring's still good there. It swiveled around. We never really got hooked up on anything. She just kept kind of going, and it worked out well. Very comfortable, works well, looks great, highly recommended.